Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the second part of the DIY card making. And in this video I'm going to show you three different types of card making, and in that one marbling technique will be there, so do not skip the video. The materials required are I'm going to take fevicryls, pearl color. I'm going to take craft angles, liquid watercolor, shade, eggplant. You will need a zigzag scissor, glitter, double-sided tape, black chart and white chart or white watercolor sheet. In this black chart, I'm going to draw Santa and his reindeer, and just gonna cut it out. And this is what I've got. After I've drawn and cut it out with a cutter, be very careful with a step. And now let's move on to the base of it. I'm going to take Craft Angles watercolor liquid of shade eggplant, and I'm just going to drop it on a wet paper. I'm just going to create blooms, and I'm going to tilt the paper so the color spread by its own. And with the help of brush, I'm going to make the process a little bit faster. And this is in the time lapse, so it might look like I'm being very harsh on the brush, which is not. Let this get set for a moment. Meanwhile, let's just go draw some clouds, fluffy clouds, and just gonna paste it on the paper itself. I'm going to use double-sided tape because it will give the greeting a little more embossed look. Bobbles. For that you'll need a transparent sheet, some glitter color of your choice, and a golden rope or some rope that you have at home, some glitters, and a head accessory or hair accessory which is new or yet to use. So I'm going to cut the sides with the zigzag scissor, and I'm going to paste this hair accessory onto my greeting card. And I'm just going to stick it, and then I'm going to make some pockets of the transparent color sheets. With the masking tape, I'm going to paste the sides of the transparent pockets that we made, and I'm going to stick it at the back side of the greeting card. Do not worry about the side that is going to be seen because we are going to paste another sheet over them. And now I'm going to add some glitters onto the transparent pockets that we made. And once after I am done, I'm going to stick them with another masking tape at the top. And look at that, we made it. This card is super fun that you can give it to your loved ones. And for the baubles to be hung on the tree, it can have some golden rope or normal rope that you have at home. You just take them and cut them according to the size, and then just paste them with a glue gun or some fevicol that you have at home. And a beautiful greeting card with Christmas baubles are ready to be presented. And I hope you really enjoyed this greeting card, and this was super fun when I was doing it. This will be the final greeting card of our show. For that, I'm going to take Craft Angles Liquid Watercolor Moss Green shade. We're going to do this with a marbling technique. So you will need a big bowl and add some water onto the big bowl or basin that you have. Yeah, the product credits goes to my dad, and sorry, Appa, for taking it before asking for your permission. And now, and I'm going to pump this shaving foam onto the water, and I'm going to spread this evenly onto the water, and going to add some liquid watercolor from Craft Angles, and I'm going to give some random wiggles and shapes on them. And once after we are done, you can put the paper onto the shaving foam, and then you just dab it gently. And then now you will need a scale, and with the scale just push the shaving foam out of the paper. And that's how you create this beautiful marble effect of beautiful textured painting very easily and very quickly. With the same marbling technique, I have made 3 other cards also, and I really enjoyed by doing this process. I had super fun, to be honest. And with the same cards, I made a greeting card out of them. With this, I made an open close greeting card and one with an open card that you can write on them. And this is the pop open card that you can just open it while the texture goes inside. And I really hope that you enjoyed the second part of the greeting card making. And please let me know which card was your favorite out of these 3 cards that I made. And this is a super fun and pretty greeting card that I love the most. And here comes a final greeting card that we made at the first. Now let's see the entire collection of Christmas greeting card that we made. And this one was with the part 1 of the greeting card making. I hope you really enjoyed the part 1. If you haven't checked out, you really have to go and check out, and it will be in the description box below and also in the top card, so you can go and please let me know in the comment section of which card was your favorite out of all these different greeting cards. And please let me know if you want to get a customized greeting card for your loved ones. I can make with a lot of love. I'm going to type down my email ID so you can mail it there, and you can get the customized greeting card within days. And these are the entire collection of our Christmas card making, and I hope you really enjoyed this DIY Christmas card making with the things that you have at home. And please let me know in the comment section which was your favorite, and please like, share, subscribe and press the notification bell so you'll be notified to check on what is new. And wishing you a Merry Christmas and God bless you. Goodbye.